Hi friends, you guys are warmly welcome to my Docker series, practical tutorial series. In this tutorial, I will try to explain you how to create a full setup for Docker Swarm practicals. In this setup, we need actually we two managers. I created three managers and two workers. Those are installed CentOS. In here, I created same like CentOS installed and Docker installs VM and hostname I change as manager 123 and worker 12. Okay. In one manager server, I will explain you how to add IP routings. You need to go to network configuration file, vi etc sysconfig network scripts ethernet. Then first of all you need to edit this boot protocol static. Then you need to add IP. Then in my manager series I add my domain, my gateway is 192.168.8.1 and I added to manager 1 130, manager 2 131, manager 3 133 and worker 1 134, worker 2 135. Same like I will add to this. Currently I'm doing manage 3 server IPADDR address 192.168.8.135 prefix 24 DNS1. DNS should be my gateway IP 8 range and gateway. Gateway IP you can select. You all are I think connected to Wi-Fi router. Wi-Fi router IP should be gateway IP. You can same like that. Then I will save this and I need to restart my network configurations. Okay, I will check my IP here. IP added. Okay, same like you have to create manager 1, manager 2, manager 3, 3 servers and worker 1, worker 2. In your PC, this kind of memory and CPU, if it not enough, you can create one manager and two workers. This is enough. Only one manager and two workers should be installed CentOS 7 and Docker need to install. Okay. Another thing we need to create this all VMs. We need to create the repo. It should be the Docker official repo. We need to create to all the VMs. I will explain how to do this. First of all, you need to install yum utils. In my PC, I already installed. I will show you how to install yum install -y yum utils. In my PC, it's already installed. Then you need to add repo. This is official latest repo for Dockers. Otherwise, it will not updated latest one. Here, yum config manager add repo this URL download docker.com Linux CentOS Docker CE repo saved to etc yum. Okay, I will try yum repo list. Here, Docker repo is added. Okay, thank you.